Sunshine. Alright. Let's update our titles once it reloads. Green dot. Cool. Alright. We're live. So, as we've seen, I've been using this project, which we're now calling Pursuits. This pursuit, so no more of that. On Building Key to plan out how the data is going to flow through Key. What the data schema, basically breaking it down into what are the different data types and how are they all going to interact. Just kind of conceptualizing how Key is going to work using this project to do so. So I now want to move over to this project pursuit of sharing Key, because as you can see, I'm kind of not rambling, but I am struggling to articulate myself clearly. And what we want to do is make it digestible and easy to understand for other people, to understand what it is we're building, how it works, how it could serve you in your own life, why we're building what we're building, and also the kind of fundamental knowledge and understanding that this is built upon, because without that, this doesn't stand. So there are assumptions that are being made, educated assumptions and different things that I, through my own experience, have learned, and that's kind of a mindset and a way of thinking that the initial user this is intended for would have, rather than building something for everyone and then you're essentially building something that no one's going to use. Or at least it's hard to get that clarity that you're looking for and follow through, at least in my experience. So thank you. This has been extremely full and arriving to clarity on what we are building. I have been live streaming or recording and streaming all of the separate build flows, whether it is talking to you here or in the Claude Code terminal, etc. And so there are now 5 different sessions I've recorded, right now being the 5th, the title being the part and timestamp varying, as well as the description being something like pursuit in my key so that we can plan how to make these live videos more engaging, easier to understand the arc, etc. If you are able to help, let me know. Or if anything, just curating context from this conversation that is relevant, describing our process and how we went back and forth to arrive to the clarity we have now. Cool. One issue. Okay. What's going on? It's probably because it's called Project Agent. Maybe? Okay. Let's just run it from the top. Make sure. Stop that. Troubleshooting. Perfect. Yeah, so basically when we did the renaming from project to pursuit, in here we still are calling the project agent, so it is causing an error that we are fixing now. here goes. Now if we go here again and reload it, okay. So the hope is that based on this context that is being distilled, it's not quite what I'm looking for. All right, this is kind of like a train wreck going one after another. So we're gonna take a step back and we're gonna sit on this, but yeah, this is definitely something for sure. And with that, let's just end this. But good morning, everyone. Hope you